In Workzilla, you can manage user profiles, menu access, data visibility, and invite users by navigating to the Manage Users page. In order to access the Manage Users page, you must be a user with access to the Administration section. Once you open the Manage Users page, you'll find a list of all your users from your integrated practice management system. To invite a user to Workzilla from the Manage Users page, find or search their name and click the Invite button. An invite link will be sent to the email address associated with that user's profile on your practice management system. Once opened, the invite link will take the user to a page where they can create a password for Workzilla. The user can then sign into Workzilla using their email and the created password. If you want to revoke a user's access to Workzilla, you can do so by finding their name and clicking the Revoke Access button. To manage menu access permissions for a user, find or search the user's name and navigate to the Menu Access dropdown. Each option on the dropdown corresponds to a section on the side panel. If a section is ticked, it will be shown for that user. If it isn't ticked, it will be hidden. When a user has access to a page, the data that populates it is determined by the What Data Can They See drop-down menu. From the options on the drop-down, their own means that they can only see their own personal data. Everything means they can see every user's data. And their teams means they can see their own data and the data of any team that they are a part of. For more information on teams in Workzilla, click the video linked in the description labeled Creating and Managing Teams. Here are some example user roles that you can assign using data visibility and menu access in Workzilla. For a manager, give standard and management menu access and visibility of their team's data. For a firm owner, give access to all menu sections and everything for data visibility. For a standard user, give access to the standard menu and their own data. To set the annual salary or hourly charge-out rate of a user, find or search the user's name and click the corresponding input field under either current annual salary or hourly charge-out rate and input a value. For the purpose of compatibility with past data, once a salary or hourly charge-out rate is set, you will gain access to a historical modal, which can be viewed by clicking a user's set salary or hourly charge-out rate. In this menu, you can add, delete, or modify the salary or charge-out rate history of a user. Any value with the latest starting date will be set as the current value. If you click on the name of any user, you can view their user profile. The top 3 city, state, and country fields are populated through data pulled from your integrated practice management system. Clicking on either the employment status or workday fields will take you to the employment status history modal. From here, you can manage the current and past employment status of a user and change their workdays. Setting your user's salary, hourly charge-out rate, and employment status enables extensive target tracking functionality across Workzilla. It also allows the information to be recorded for future reference and reporting on past data. For more information on targets in Workzilla, see the video titled Targets linked in the video description.